Come closer, let me show you how to edit this kind of day and night effect using Capcut editing application. Without wasting much of your time, let's go to the screen.
Alright, you need these 4 items for this very video editing. Number 1 is the video clip, which you recorded, the raw video. The second one is an image of a sunlight. And the third one is an image of moon during the dark. And the fourth one is any object. It can be stone, but in this one I used coconut. Now, these two image, moon and sun, you can actually generate it using your WhatsApp. Do you understand? Now, when you have all these items ready, you head over to your Capcut. So once you get to your Capcut, you click on new project to bring the first one in, which is the video clip. Click on add here to bring it to the editing interface. Okay, so let's play the video a bit. That is how I recorded the video. Okay, now the first thing which you need to do is to bring the sun in by clicking an overlay here. Once you click, you still click on add overlay, then click on the image side. See where I am talking about. This is photo side, this is video side. Okay, click on photo side, okay, to bring in the image. So you click on the sun, then you head over to click on add. Now it has appeared. What you need to do is to extend this up to any length you need, because you will still need to cut out some parts. Having it highlighted, you come over to mask. Okay, so click on it and choose second, which is the fourth one here. So having it clicked, then use your hand to adjust the second to the center of the moon. Then you use this arrow to control the size, this one and this one. Okay, so very good. The next thing which you need to do is to click on this very point down arrow, slide it down a bit to blend the moon. Okay, so having it like that, you click on this very check mark button. Now use your hand to take it up. You can see what I'm doing. Okay, just click and hold and slide it to any part which you want. So we have achieved that one. The next thing which you need to do is to come over to this very video, the main video, which is the raw video, and then take it. Okay, let's take it up to this extent. Now click on split and then delete this excess part. Okay, we want it to start from here. Very good. Watch what I'm doing now. From here, now you can see where I swing my hand as if I'm throwing something. Once you got to this place, you stop, you head over to this one, highlight it. Okay, and then click on split, delete the excess part. Now the next thing which we need to do is to bring in the second image before bringing in that very stone. Okay, the second image is the moon. Click on add overlay to bring in the moon. Okay, so click on add. Now this is what you need to do. Come over to mask and repeat the action which you used in the other one. Choose second, use your hand to position it at the center of the moon. Then you do the necessary adjustment. Okay, like this is okay. Then you come to this one and slide it down a bit. Very good. And click that check mark key. Use your hand to take it up to the same position where the moon is. Now for you to get the same position, come over to this and take it below this. You can see what I'm doing. Okay, have you seen it now? Highlight and then readjust it. Once you are done like that, click and hold and take it back to the line where it was. We have day and night. Now the next thing which you need to do is to bring in that coconut. Okay, by clicking on add. By this time you are going to choose it, which is this. Click on add. Now at this point you need to remove the background. To achieve this, you need to slide to remove BG and then use chroma key, which is this. Now use the chroma key to control the stuff, to take it to where the whole color will be cleared. You can see what I'm doing. Then let's leave it like this. Now head over to this intensity and adjust it forward until the whole color associated with the coconut background will be cleared. Looking at this now, you will understand that it is bigger. But before reducing the size of the coconut, click here to authenticate your action. Now this is what you will do. Use your two thumbs to pinch it in to reduce the size. Okay, pay attention because this is where the work begins properly. So this is what you will do. Slide the video up and down to know where you started doing as if you want to throw something. Very good. That is where you need the coconut to appear. Click on this and take it forward to this very vertical line. Click and hold and take it to that very line. Very good. So what you need to do is to have it highlighted. Take it forward to where your hands is. See where I'm talking about. Now the image is bigger than what we need for this. Okay, still shrink it in. Okay, I think this size is okay. Now position it like this. The next thing which you need to do is to activate this very chroma key. Okay, by clicking on it, you can see this very red arrow appearing there. Now as you are moving your hands, then be controlling the image to fit in the position of your hands. Okay, let's widen the length. Let's move. Just watch what I will be doing or what I'm doing. As you are taking the video forward like this, click and hold and shift the video like this. That is what I'm doing. Okay, Just repeat the action until you achieve what you want. So at this point where your hand is off from the coconut, what you need to do, pay attention. Watch the line between this moon and the sun here. That is where you will take this vertical line to, okay? So watch what I'm doing. Position it this way. Very good. Now, use your hand to control the coconut to the middle of the sun, okay? You need to let the coconut fall out of that very space where it is, okay? How you will do that is to take your video to this point. Now come over to that very coconut stuff. Now use your hands to shift it out of the screen. Automatically another chroma key will be added, okay? And to achieve the dark nature of the entire background video, this is what you will do. Pay attention. Position this very video. See where I'm talking about. This line between moon and the sun. Take it to this very vertical line, okay? Position it this way. And then come over to this very video bar, highlight it and click on a split to have it splitted, okay? Now to achieve that very dark nature, have the second part of the splitted main video highlighted. Now swipe this end until you get to adjust. Once you get to adjust, click on it, come over to brightness and adjust it backward, -37. Come to contrast and also adjust it backward. You come to highlight and take it to the beginning, okay? Shadow, you also adjust and then adjust temperature. Once you are done blending the color, you click on this check mark button to indicate your action. Now let's play the video. Very good. Now at this point you need to do some necessary adjustments by bringing the video to end at the same point. How will you achieve that? Highlight this very coconut stuff here, then highlight the second one, click on split, then click on delete to remove it. Come over to the main video, do the same thing, okay? Now once you are done removing the excess, you bring in the video by shrinking it so that all of them will end at the same point. Now let's play the video again before exporting it. So the next thing remaining is to add any sound of your choice, okay? I've taught you guys how to achieve that. And after that, then you head over to export and have your video exported directly to your gallery. Help me share so that others will learn from this. Thank you.